the past. Something we associate with ruin, loss, and forgetfulness. Usually we allow it to fade into a memory that is often forgotten. But with time, it becomes a mirror image of what was. Just by simply opening your eyes, it's easy to understand that life is still there. And everything we perceive forgotten or ruined still has a story to tell, just like you. You're your own artist, and that's something no one can take away from you. So be your own pioneer and live in the now. Fall in love and do the right things, exploring the world for what others may see as forgotten. And that's the secret to life.